Hi everyone, this is Marta from Foodaciously, and today we're making something cute, fun and tasty. It's called Ube Mochi. It's a Japanese treat with a Filipino spin. Let's get started. It's important to use glutinous rice flour and not standard rice flour to make the mochi. First, let's make the ube batter using purple yams and coconut oil. If you already have ube spread, you can skip to the next section using the timestamps below. Add chopped ube to a pot, followed by coconut milk and syrup. You can use maple syrup, honey, or any other type of syrup. Cover and cook for 10 minutes over low heat until the milk is purple and the yam is soft. Then transfer all into a blender and add in the coconut oil at room temperature. Then blitz all until smooth and creamy. Transfer the ube batter into a container and let it harden in the freezer for 45 minutes or in the fridge overnight. Now, let's move over to the cooker where we show you how to make the mochi dough. Add rice flour to a pot, followed by erythritol for sugar-free mochi or plain sugar if you don't have it. Then pour in the water. Turn on the heat to low and mix the ingredients well until there are no lumps. Stir continuously with a spoon. It will form lumps at first, but then it will get smooth and stretchy like this. At this point, keep cooking and stirring it for 5 minutes over low heat to ensure the rice is properly cooked. Now, dust your worktop with plenty of starch. And then transfer the dough onto it. Dust it with a little bit of starch and shape it into a ball. Pinch off some balls the size of your palm and set them aside. Dust your hands with a bit of starch so the dough won't stick. Then take one mochi bowl and stretch it out to make a 2.5 inches or 7 centimeters disc. Try to keep the edges as thin as you can, as they will overlap when we seal the mochi. Then brush off any excess starch. Now, take a spoonful of ube batter and shape it into a ball. Then, place it in the center of the mochi wrapper. To shape the mochi, pull the edges of the dough in the center and pinch them as you rotate the mochi. Then flip it upside down and give it a dome shape. Now, finish to prepare the other mochi. Look how cute this is ube mochi. It's as soft as a cloud. Let's see how it looks inside. Cute, right? And now for the flavor test. It's so soft and chewy, and the ube butter tastes almost like white chocolate. It's unbelievable. You need to try this. That's all for this ube mochi recipe. We hope you liked it. Please give us a like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Have a great day. Bye!